I have such little damage?
Is this the man? Is this the myth?
And soon my eternal empire shall rise again.
Wait, he kind of fitted. Die, Dracula! Give me my $5, you bastard! Come here! You think this is enough to stop me? Idiot.
Oh, what is that?
I don't know. Oh, he summoned a sword. Think I'm afraid of your sword? You ain't gonna do nothing. You ain't gonna do nothing. Look at you. You just floating around with
You
it.
have a stacking effect on you, Moose.
Ha! I'm not afraid of that. Ah! Wait a minute.
Just got here. What do you mean?
I did too. Oh, Jesus. I will come. I just died, bro. I will come out no matter how long it takes. Those $5 will be mine. So you said. You think I'm done with you, Dracula?
How?